Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you turn on and off spatial audio on your AirPod 3rd Gen. To control the spatial audio on your Android 3rd Gen with Dolby Atmos, you want to navigate to the control center on your iPhone or an iPad. Now here's how you need to do is swipe down from the top right corner of the screen on your iPad or an iPhone, then go to the control center. And after which, what you'll need to do is you simply want to locate or tap the volume slider from your AirPods. A new menu will appear and you'll find the spatial audio options at the bottom right. After which, you simply want to tap on the following option, that is either turn off, that is disable both spatial audio and head tracking as well. Next, you could also enable spatial audio with without head tracking, or you could enable both spatial audio and head tracking, which allows you to follow your head movement. Now when you use spatial audio with AirPods 3rd Gen, it is essentially using a Dolby Atmos audio format if the content you are listening to supports it. To ensure Dolby Atmos is enabled, you could also go to settings, then go to app, music, and then select Dolby Atmos. Then you could choose always on to automatically use Dolby Atmos when supported. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.